Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this look for festival season, which is either here or coming up. I'm not sure when it is. I'm actually not attending a festival this year as plans just didn't go to plan, and it's just a pink and purple with purple glitter look, and I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just get straight to the video. So guys, I'm aware my hair is a complete mess for this part of the video, but just to get it out my face and get no makeup in my hair, I have to put it up. So this is the best it's gonna look when I put it up. I've already carved out the tops and bottoms of my eyebrows and done my eyebrows, concealed and set my eyes, because I just want to get straight into the fun, colourful festival eye makeup with you guys. So starting off, I'm just going to do a little casual wing for the day with my Master Precise Maybelline liquid eyeliner. Recently I've been doing my wings like really amazing. I've been so proud. So this wing definitely took a little longer, but it's fine. So going in with the eyeshadow, the first colour we're going to start, well the first palette we're going to start off with is the bronze palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm sorry if I don't know some of the shades because it's scratched off a little, but first of all we're going to go in with like a base shade. So we're going to use Quartz, and that's going to go right into our crease. I wish this came with a mirror, but it doesn't. Yeah, I think the new ones do. Now we're going to go in with a more deeper tone, which is this colour right here, which is called Topaz. And if you haven't got this palette, just get a chocolate brown colour. And that's also going to go into our crease. Then we're going to go in with a real deep colour down here, and that is called Bronzed. I'm pretty sure it's scratched off a little. It's either bronzed or bronzed. So this colour right here, and that's just a deeper chocolate brown colour. And to add more depth to this, as it's going into our crease again, we're going to use a slanted brush. And that's just going to meet the very tip of the wing. And then we are going to do the exact same on the other eye. After that we're going to gently blend it out, not much because we want kind of that harsh line, but blend out the edges a little bit. Like this colour, which is Goldstone. Ooh, that looks pretty. Like you don't want much of it because it's like kind of goldy. Like it comes, I don't really know, it's like a dirty gold. Yeah, that's the best way you can describe it. Like that, blend that in. Okay, now we are going to half cut the crease. So we're just going to take that concealer like halfway into the base, and then we're going to do the exact same on the other eye. Half cut creases look really difficult, but they're just really simple. You just need to put a little bit more time into your makeup, but because I've done it quite a lot now, it takes me not that long to do anymore. After that, we could just gently gonna tap it in just to make sure it's set. So after we cut the crease, I'm going to take my NYX Doll Face Single Eyeshadow and just put it all over the crease for that beautiful pink look. So after that, we're heading back into the Kylie palette and we're going to take the tone Jasper, and that's going to go right under our brow bone. So right now, you guys are probably thinking, this festival look isn't amazing, and right now, no, it's not amazing, but trust me, it gets just better. So right now, we're just going to head into the face makeup with our foundation, etc., and then get back into the eyeshadow look. So for our face, we obviously prime it, and I use the MUA Pro Base Moisturising Primer, which I love so much. So I add quite a lot of this to my entire face. Oh wow, I think I added a bit too much. I'm soaked. Okay. So the more you add, I guess, the longer your foundation and that stays on. Oh wow, I'm actually soaking. Don't worry though, if it like gets soaked, just yeah. I'm going to ignore the tops of my eyebrows though, I forgot about that because I've already carved out the tops of them. When you're at a festival, guys, you want to have a long wear foundation, and maybe even foundation with SPF in it, which protects you even more from the sun. In this country you don't have to worry about SPF because we never get sun, but in places like America, etc., you'll need that. Even if you don't have SPF foundation, I don't. I never do, I never had. So I would wear sunscreen under my makeup just to protect my skin a little bit more. So I've just got some pumps on my hand, and we're just gonna blend that out all around our face, hoping it doesn't get into our hair, because foundation is just so hard not to get all over the place. So yeah, just gonna blend that out all over our face. I mean, some people don't wear that much makeup at a festival, but if I went to a festival, which I was hoping to this year, but that didn't go to plan, I go all out, like, I really do, for everything. I'm like just over the top when it comes to makeup and clothes. You know, so at a festival, I can't even imagine how I'd look. I'd look good. I'd look good with what I dress like, but yeah, it'd be definitely like the typical festival girl with all the sequins and the glitter. So after that, then we're gonna go in with our concealer just to conceal up some areas on our face. And you know, guys, it's a festival, just, you know, put that little bit extra effort in with the glitter and the sequins and where you look. I mean, you don't have to, but you're at a festival, just go all out. So I've just applied this to my chin, bridge of my nose, under my nose where I get red, middle of my forehead and under my eyes. Now we're just going to set our entire face, and we're going to use the e.l.f. Oh my god. The e.l.f. Sheer Setting Powder. So we're just going to tip a bit into the lid, and we're just going to take some on our brush and put it all around our face. Tap it off, you don't want to be a cake face. And we're just going to dab it all around our face, hoping it'll set our makeup. but I'm going to ignore under my eyes. I love doing my forehead. So then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender. I've been doing something new recently, and I'm going to, because I love to contour my nose, so I'm going to just bake the sides of my nose like this. Like, I don't have a big nose, but I just like to contour it and make it look more, I don't know, I guess slender, even though it's already pretty slender and slim. Like, I like my nose, it's just cute and small. Now we're going to take our e.l.f. Under Eye Sheer Setting Powder 2, and we're going to apply this with our Baby Beauty Blender again. And we're going to let that bake. I don't like to apply much, and seeing as a sheer you can't really see how much you apply, but I'm not applying much, just enough to make my eye makeup set in place and so it doesn't get all dry and clumpy throughout the day. And I definitely love this because it's not heavy, it's really lightweight. That's all setting. I am going to contour and bronze my face with my MUA Makeup Academy Bronze Perfection Matte in Sunset Tan with my new Revolution F105 Pro contour brush. Definitely love this. I definitely recommend you people buying it. So I'm just going to contour my usual areas, which is my jawline, which, you know, doesn't really need to be done. I already have a great jawline. Cheekbones. Once again, guys, you're not faking your beauty, you're enhancing it. Just always remember that, you're always enhancing it. You're not faking it. So I like to dab it on first and then I like to blend it out. But this brush pretty much blends out for you. But just to put that little extra work in, just going to blend it out myself. Blend it in and out the hairline so it just looks really natural on the forehead. Some people forget this area. That annoys me because you're doing this and this is a big gap by here. Always remember that area. Always remember to blend it out. Now that is all done with it, we're going to swipe away the bacon with the setting brush we used earlier. You're just going to be really soft when you do this. Now we're going to take a smaller brush and we're going to contour out our nose. That bacon method I do definitely works. I left a bit under our lip. So now we are going to curl our lashes with our eyelash curler and apply some mascara. So guys, sadly then my camera came full of memories, so I curled my lashes and did my put mascara on my top lashes, ignoring my bottom ones for now. So we are going to do some fun stuff with glitter. I chose purple glitter, but with this look you can choose anything. So I got my NYX glitter primer glue. We are just going to apply it by here, and so we're just going to go right under our lash line in the center. Coming down. I think this is easier to apply with a finger. So I'm just going to use my finger to apply it with. And you're just gonna drag it down, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So now we're just gonna grab our glitter. Mine is a purple glitter which I got from Topshop because I seen it and I just really wanted it. So purple glitter with like extra specks of colour in. I'm just going to apply that there. Looks so pretty. I haven't used this glitter in ages. That, and then we're going to do a bit right here. So like it's both joined together but the gap is your eye. So just try and get in the centre of where you put the glitter glue in the other eye. Triangle almost. Not to look clown-like, but just to have some sort of shape to it. I don't know if we should add any extra glitter to places. So that's that for now. If you can see that, I hope it comes up on camera. So I think that's really good for now. I think I might actually add some more glitter because I really want it to be like popping. Really out there. So purple glitter with this look, like the pinks and the purples, looks absolutely perfect. So I think we're pretty much done with the glitter side of things. So now we're just gonna put mascara on our bottom lashes. Now we're gonna go in with some highlighter, obviously using my two favourite shades from the Ultra Pro Glow highlighting kit from Revolution. I know like the go-to look for festivals is like glitter by here instead of highlight, but you don't want to look the exact same to everyone else. You want to look a little different. So I'm applying that in the corners of my eyes. Setting our eyebrows in place with my MUA Brow Define Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Mid Brown. I always apply this so messily. It literally gets everywhere when I apply it. And now because the makeup is so out there, we're going to just use like a simple lipstick. So I'm going to take a Kylie lipstick colour. And I'm pretty sure I'm just going to go with my go-to colour, which is the One Wish matte colour from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm not going to apply too much. So guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video and see this as some inspiration for your look when you go to a festival this year or next year. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, click that subscribe button below for future videos. I post every Thursday. And if you have any questions or queries about the video or me in general or just anything, comment below and I will always answer you, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
In those eyes, I just had to let you know you're